everyone, my name is Mamta Motiani from Designs by Mamta, and today I'm going to show you a stitch pattern which I have used in my new design. This is my hat, a summer hat, which is called Summer Vibe, and I have used three stitch patterns in this hat. This is the first one. Okay, this lace like stitch pattern is the first one. Then there is this second one, and there is this third for the edging. So for this one I have already covered the stitch pattern in another video tutorial earlier, but I'm going to cover this stitch pattern now. I'll make another video for this stitch pattern. So for this one I am going to use this worsted weight yarn which I had just lying around, and I'm going to use a 5 mm crochet hook. Okay, so this is a combination of 8 stitches. So if you see this, 1 2 3 4 5, and then I've skipped 3 stitches, so it's a combination of 8 stitches. I'm going to start with a combination of 8 stitches, so I'll do it in a multiple of 8s. So I'll start with 40 chains. Okay, this is the first knot, and then 40 chains. So let me finish 40 chains and I'll get back to you. Okay, so I'm done with 40 chains now. Now, just for this tutorial sake, because these are chains and not like how I began over here, these were already, made stitches over here. So I didn't have to make sure to, that it were not twisted. But here, I have to make sure that they are not twisted, and then I have to join the chains together with a slip stitch in the beginning chain. Okay. Okay, so I just joined this. Now I will be doing the stitches in the round. That's why I joined this chain. Otherwise, if I would have done it in rows, then I didn't have to join it. Okay, so for doing this, I'll start with chain 1, and then I'll do a half of that stitch pattern over here. So for that, in the same place where I began the chain, I'll do a single crochet, then a single crochet in the next 2 chains. Okay, now I'll do 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 and 5 chains, and then in the next, okay, now before I do the next stitch, I'll have to do 1 2 3. I'll skip the next 3 chains, and I'll do 5 single crochet. Now single crochet in each single crochet, I mean, so there will be 1 2 3 single crochet in next 5 chains, not single crochet, sorry. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so it will look something like this. Again, 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 and 5 chains, skip 3 chains, and single crochet in next 5 chains. So this is first one, this is second one, third, fourth and fifth. Okay, so I'm going to do this for this entire till length of chains till I reach the end. So 5 chains, skip 3 chains, and single crochet in the next 5 chains. Okay, I'm going to finish this till the end, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I'm at the end of this the length of the chain, and I've done the 5 single crochet. Now I'll skip 1 2 3, but before that, 1 2 3 4 5 chains. Now skip 3 chains over here and do single crochet in the next 2 chains. Okay, this is just the part of the beginning 3 single crochet. So instead of doing 5 single crochet in the beginning, I did 3 first, and then now I'm doing 2 single crochet now, and then I'll be doing a slip stitch in the first single crochet. So it was half earlier, and now it was a little less than half over here, so that it ends in the middle and not over here. Okay, So now this first round is done. Now for the second round I'll do a single crochet again, but before that I'll do a chain one and then a single crochet in the single crochet. Okay, now a single crochet in the next single crochet. Now what we are going to do is we are going to skip this single crochet, and I'll do 3 chains. Okay, now in this chain 5 space I will be doing a single crochet. So I am skipping this one single crochet over here, then I'm doing 3 chains and doing a single crochet over here, then again I'll do 3 chains, I'll skip this next single crochet, and I'll do single crochet in the next 3 single crochet. So 1 2 3 over here. Now I'll skip this one single crochet over here again, 3 chains, 1 2 3, a single crochet in the chain 5 space, in the next chain 5 space, then chain 3, 1 2 3, then skip next single crochet and single crochet in the next 1 2 and 3 single crochet. So I'll keep repeating this, okay, till the end, and when I'm at the end I'll show to you what to do next. Okay, so I'm at the end of this round, and now I will finish this round off by doing chain 3, a single crochet in the chain 5 space. Okay, now you see over here I did 1 and 2 single crochet in the beginning, so that means I have to do one more single crochet over here. So first I'll do chain 3 over here, and then I'll skip the first single crochet. In the second single crochet I will do a single crochet, and in the first one, the beginning single crochet, I'll do a slip stitch and close this round. Okay, now after closing this round, I'll begin the next round. For this next round, I'll do a chain one in the beginning and then a single crochet in the single crochet. Now I'll be skipping this single crochet over here, and I'll do 3 chains, 1 2 and 3 chains. Now you see this three chains. In this 3 chains I'll do a single crochet, and in this single crochet I'll do a single crochet, and in the next chain 3 space I'll do a single crochet again. Okay, and then again I'll do chain 3, 1 2 and 3, and you see over here there are 3 single crochets. So 1 2 and 3, in the second single crochet I'll do a single crochet. So you see this is actually reversing. Here there were 1 2 3 5 5 3 and 1 single crochet. Here it is 1 3 and next one will be 5 single crochet. Okay, so now after the single crochet I'll do 1 2 3 chains again. Then over here in the chain 3 space I'll do a single crochet. In the single crochet I'll do a single crochet. In the chain 3 space I'll do a single crochet. Okay, now I will keep on repeating this till the end. So chain 3 again, and single crochet in the second single crochet after skipping the first single crochet. 1 2 3. Okay, I'm going to repeat this till the end, and once I'm done till when I'm at the end I'll show to you what to do next. Okay, so I'm at the end of this round now. I did a chain 3. Now you see over here I had a single crochet over here, so I'm going to do a slip stitch in this single crochet and finish this round. So this round is done as well. Now for the next round, see, now we will be doing 5 over here. In here we have 1 over here, 1 single crochet, 3 single crochet. So next round we'll have 5 single crochet over here. Okay, and we'll have 5 single crochet over here. That means here where we have the single crochet over here, there will be no stitches. There will be a loop of 5 chains. So I'll have to cut this over here. Instead of cutting the thread over here, I'll slip stitch over, because there are chains over here. So instead of cutting, I do a slip stitch, 1 2 and 3 slip stitch. Okay, in the 3 chains I do 3 slip stitch. It will look a little bumpy, but once you do a couple of rounds it will not even show. So now after doing 3 slip stitch in the 3 chains, I do a chain 1 and I do a single crochet in the same space, same 3 chain 3 space. Now in the next 3 single crochet I do single crochets. So first single crochet, second single crochet and third single crochet. Okay, now I'll do a single crochet in the next chain 3 space. So it completes 5 single crochet in this space, and then I do 1 2 3 4 and 5 chains. Then in this I skip this single crochet over here. In this next chain 3 space I do a single crochet. Okay. Okay, so now see, now the first one is done. I'll need 4 more single crochet. So in the first single crochet I do a single crochet, the second one as well, the third one as well. So we have 4 single crochets over here, and in this chain 3 space we have 1 single crochet. So we have 5 single crochet over here, and then we'll do chain 5. So this round is same as the first round which we did. Okay, here there were just chains, but here we don't have chains. Instead of the chains we have the stitches. So so instead of 3 chains over here, we have 3 stitches over here. Okay, so now 1 2 3 4 and 5 chains. Then we will skip this single crochet, and in this chain 5 chain 3 space we do a single crochet. We do single crochet in the next 3 single crochet, and in the next chain 3 space we do a single crochet. So we have this like this. Now I'll complete it till the end and I'll get back to you. Okay, so I'm at the end of this round now, and I just finished doing the 5 chains. Now in the first single crochet, see 1 2 3 slip stitches over here, and in the first single crochet I'll do a slip stitch to finish this round. Okay, now I wanted to add over here that, you know, in this case, because I'm using a single color, I did this 3 slip stitches over here. In this case where I was doing different colors, what I did was I don't have to do the slip stitches. What I did was I finished it over here, okay, when the last round finished, and then I began directly after in the with a different color in the chain 3 space, okay, with a chain 1 and a single crochet. So you see, if you're doing 2 different colors, then you do not have to do the slip stitches over here. Otherwise you'll have to carry it forward, you'll have to do 3 slip stitches over here and then continue with these single crochet. Okay, so this is how it will appear, you know, a little bit different over here. Otherwise it's all the same. So now I'm going to finish this tutorial over here, because this is just a repetition of this two. So this one was the first round, so this is the first round, similar to the first round. Then the second and the third round will keep on repeating. So for the next one it will be the second round itself. So it will be looking like this. Let me show you how it looks over here. Okay, so it keeps on looking like squares and chains and squares and chains. Okay, so I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'm going to show you this tutorial next, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye bye, see you all.